Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with stress and chaos, there lived a young man named Alex. Alex had always been intrigued by the idea of finding peace and balance amidst the chaos of everyday life. He had heard whispers of a transformative practice called yoga, but he had never taken the leap to explore it further. One day, while scrolling through social media, Alex stumbled upon an advertisement for Unlock the Wisdom of Yoga, an extensive collection of 180+ English ebooks. Intrigued by the promise of ancient wisdom and personal growth, he decided to embark on a journey that would change his life forever. As Alex delved into the ebooks, he discovered a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be unlocked. The practical guides and valuable insights provided him with a roadmap to navigate the world of yoga. From the basics of meditation to the intricacies of chakra balancing and Kundalini awakening, he found himself captivated by the depth and breadth of the teachings. With each page he turned, Alex felt a newfound sense of peace and calm wash over him. The ebooks not only taught him physical postures and breathing techniques but also offered guidance on how to cultivate a positive mindset, release negative energy, and connect with his inner self. As Alex continued his yoga journey, he noticed remarkable changes in his life. Physically, he felt stronger, more flexible, and energized. Mentally, he became more focused and resilient, able to navigate the challenges of his daily life with ease. Spiritually, he experienced a profound sense of connection and purpose, as if he had tapped into something greater than himself. But it wasn't just the personal benefits that amazed Alex. He realized that yoga had the power to transform the lives of others as well. He shared his newfound passion with his friends, family, and even strangers he met along the way. The ripple effect of his journey spread far and wide, touching the lives of those who were seeking solace and balance in their own hectic lives. Word of mouth spread like wildfire, and soon, thousands of people flocked to unlock the wisdom of yoga. They too wanted to experience the transformative power of yoga and dive into the extensive collection of ebooks that promised to unlock their own inner wisdom. With each new reader, the impact of the ebooks grew stronger. Lives were transformed, relationships deepened, and a sense of peace and harmony spread throughout the world. As the story of Alex and Unlock the Wisdom of Yoga came to an end, it left a lasting impression on those who had followed their journey. The message was simple yet profound, that within each of us lies the power to unlock our true potential and find balance amidst the chaos of life. And so, the invitation remains open to all who seek a healthier, happier life. The ebooks of Unlock the Wisdom of Yoga are waiting to guide you on your own transformative journey. Start your adventure now and discover the profound benefits of yoga that will unlock the wisdom within you. Click the link below in description for more info. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.